Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into a frequently asked question. What's the cheapest way to get from Toronto to Niagara Falls? Whether you're a local or a visitor, this guide will help you navigate the most budget-friendly options. So let's get rolling. First up, renting a car. It's convenient, but prices range from $40 to $60 per day. Remember, you'll be taking the Queen Elizabeth Way, so watch out for traffic, especially during peak hours. This option offers freedom, but at a cost. For the budget-conscious, GeoTransit is a winner. With bus and train options, it's wallet-friendly. The bus service connects Niagara Falls to Burlington's Geo station year-round, costing about $41.30 for a round trip. In summer, there's even a direct train from Toronto, but packed snacks, no food sales on board. A Via Rail is another option. It's a bit pricier, usually $75 return, but look out for promotions. Booking in advance can save you a good chunk of change. Now let's talk buses. Coach Canada and Greyhound offer over 25 daily services, with fares as low as $33 if you book early. Megabus has an express service, only $1.15 each way. All these buses land you at Niagara Falls Bus Terminal, right where you need to be. Planning is key. Whether you drive or take public transport, avoid peak traffic. Once you arrive, transition smoothly to local transport to reach the falls. It's all about balancing cost, convenience, and comfort. Niagara Falls isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're there for a day or longer, it promises awe and adventure. Remember, the journey is part of the fun, so choose your path wisely and enjoy every moment. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Niagara Falls stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.